Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I show you data binding with the Livewire. If you have used front-end framework like Angular, Vue and React, you are already familiar with the data binding concept. However, if you are new to this concept, don't worry, let me explain. Livewire can bind or synchronize current value of the HTML element with the specific property in your component. For example, I have title variable in this component. I created one variable with the title name in the last tutorial, and you can see here this title variable render into the this output into the this component. Now I want to bind the title variable with the one input element, and I want to change the title when I type into the input, and this title should be instantly updated. Livewire instantly listen an input event and make one AJAX request for the re-render this component. So let me declare one input here, input. Now I want to specify wire colon and specify model with the wire, and specify here title because title is a variable name. You need to specify here name of the variable, and this model method interact with the title variable. Let me refresh, and you can see here into the title the value is automatic populated, which is given into the component here. Now let me change the value of the input, and you can see here instantly title is changed. And Livewire provide few options with the data binding. First one is debouncing, second one is lazy updating, and third one is defer updating. Let me use all the options in this example so you can see the difference of all of them. First of all, the Livewire provide debouncing 150 millisecond by default, but if you want to overwrite it, you need to specify debounce method with time. So let me specify debounce and with the time using the dot operator. You need to specify model dot debounce dot milliseconds. I going to specify 500 milliseconds. Now when I type into the input, the Livewire wait 500 millisecond and then make one AJAX request for re-render the component with the new title. So let me update, and you can see here it's not instantly update, it's updated after some time. So this is the debouncing, you can use it. Second one is lazy update. The lazy update option is useful when you want to type everything and then focus out of the element. That time this method is very useful. Let me specify. First of all, remove this debouncing and specify lazy model dot lazy, and let me refresh, and let me remove this title first of all, and you can see here title still appear because the input element not make any request to re-render the title and component. Let me specify here value new title, and let me focus out, and you can see here now title is updated. When I focus out, Livewire make one AJAX request and update the title. So this method is very useful when you want to type everything and then you want to change anything. That time lazy method is very useful. Third one is defer. The defer method not make any AJAX request while typing on the input and not make any call after focus out and anything. The defer is update the value on the next livewire AJAX request. For example, when I type on the input and make change event and click on this button and livewire fire click event, that time this component render the new title with this input. So let me specify here defer and show you the example. I specify model.defer and let me update the, and I already declare change button with the change title function. I declare this button in the last tutorial. Let me comment out this, because when I click on the change button, this change title method is called and it's update with this new title. But let me comment out so you can easily understand this defer method. Let me remove livewire defer method and let me click on the change button, and you can see here now title is updated with the new value. So you can easily use this defer method for the two HTML elements. Also, livewire provide the data binding with the array as well. You can see here example given here into the documentation, and you can specify the array element with the dot operator. For example, post is array and title is element, then you can specify post dot title and you can easily update value of any array. So this is very powerful feature provided by the livewire. Thank you for watching a video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel.